After previously announcing the feature, Gemini has officially launched temporary chat, now available in Gemini apps. So what is temporary chat? Temporary chat is a new feature in Gemini, lets you have conversation without saving any history to your Google account. It's works just like incognito mode in a browser. Once the chat is closed, the history disappears. This feature is designed to help you protect your privacy. Conversation won't appear in your Gemini activity. Keep your chat history clean. The chat aren't used to train Gemini models, except when needed for safety or regulation compliance. Stay in control. You get greater control over your data and conversation. To access temporary chat, just open Gemini and tap the temporary chat option located right next to the new chat button. Now you can chat with Gemini freely, privately, and without leaving a trace.